we just named a cow Michael.
Yeah. Say hey to Michael.
We don't know if it's a he or
We really don't know, but it's Michael.
because Michael Jackson have a song called Black and White, and that's black and a little bit white.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, actually. There's a cow with a pink bottom ass. That's really, really weird, actually, but it's funny. Later we're gonna see the cows here dancing.
Yeah, and it's
Whoa.
not a joke.
One of the cows are peeing. It's very
Disgusting.
yes, and it really smells in here.
It smells like cow,
Yeah.
which is weird because there's thousands of cows. Like
Yes, you
Thousands
look.
of cows
There's
here.
really much cows. And
That's
that
really
is cows.
we can put milk in it,
I'm gonna.
and that's not a cow.
Yes, right here. There's a cow on
yeah,
it.
that's a cow.
There's a cow on it. And I'm gonna put milk in it when I get home. It's very cool. And before we go, say bye to the cows. Michael.
No, I don't see. Also bye.
Okay, you're so bye.
Bye bye.